and this is my son Sean, and we are both partners at Amelia Scott Designs.
Today's a big day. We finally get to reveal the final project because you'll be assembling it this month. We'll also have some free hanging stars for you to stitch out as finishing touches.
So here it is. Drum roll, please. It's a banner. Yes, I know a lot of you thought it was a table runner, but it is a banner. On July 4th, I am hanging one of these on my front door or by my front door, and one on my back door since most of my company will be in my backyard for a cookout. Now, we are not finished yet. In June, I will give you 13 free custom quilting designs and instructions so you can quilt your banner. But if you're skittish about quilting with your embroidery machine, I will also have a class over Zoom on Monday, June 15th that you can sign up for. There will be a $10 fee for that since we have expenses on our end. If you're just now hearing about this project for the first time, it's not too late. You can go to our website and get all the designs for free and stitch one out real quick. All the information about the free mystery project is on our website. You just scroll down till you see that big, beautiful bald eagle and click on the link.
This month's design is a free hanging star. We made about 11 for our banner, but you can make as many as you like.
So I'm going to show you how to make the star right now. It takes about 10 minutes, but my sewing machine goes really fast, courtesy of the 4 times the speed on the video editing software. So let's watch that right now.
Okay, with your star design, the first thing that will stitch will be your placement line. After that stitches, you're just going to cover it with a piece of batting, put it back in the machine, and then just start your machine. You don't need to tape the batting. After that stitches, take it to a flat surface and we're going to trim away the excess batting. So when I'm cutting it out, I pull the batting up high and then I just try and keep my scissors as level as possible without grabbing the batting so I get real close to the stitch line. Lift up. I'm also using very long applique scissors. I got a little generous right here, so I'm going to come in with some smaller scissors and trim that away. I want that very close to the batting. When you are done, flip it over, flip your hoop over to the back side. Take one of your 5.5-inch squares, place it over the batting, and tape it down. Don't press the tape, just place it on there. We'll press it down in a minute. Flip it back over. Now press it down real good. That way nothing comes out of the hoop, okay? Then take your other square, place it over. And I'm going to do mine up a little bit because I don't want that to be smack in the middle. And then tape that down. You can feel where the batting is to try and make sure the tape is not on top of the batting. Now take the hoop back to your machine. Start your machine and it will tack both pieces of fabric in place. When it stops, take the hoop out of the machine and put it on a flat surface. Remove the tape from the front side and again lift up the fabric and trim away close to the stitches. Flip it over and repeat that whole process with the back. Any places where you might have gotten generous with your fabric, go ahead and trim those a little closer. That looks pretty good. It's always on that one side for me. There we go. All right, now let's return the star to the hoop. Okay, start the button. And it will stitch a little star on the inside. Then start the button again and it will finish the outline with the satin stitch and give you the hanger. This is a almost last step. Remove the hoop from the machine and take it over to a flat surface. Okay, now here is where you need to be a little careful because yes, we stitched this on water-soluble stabilizer as it was written in your instructions. But if I soak this in water, my star is going to go like this. And then when I try to press it out, it's going to be all wonky. So we don't want our stars to be wonky. So what I do is I leave it in the hoop. I take a little paintbrush with some water, and then I just kind of paint the stabilizer, not necessarily the design. You can see where that water starts. And just take your time because as you go around, that water will just saturate into the stabilizer, and you won't have a goopy mess, and your star won't shrink in. It'll be nice and flat. These take about 10 minutes to make. See how that's starting to separate over here? These take about 10 minutes to make. I did 11 for my project. The minimum I would do would be 3 to hang at the bottom. And then, of course, if you want to do more than 11, you can have stars all over the place. See how nice that was? It just popped right out. Now, before I put my hoop down, I'm going to get this out of it and put it in the trash because that's sticky. And then I might want to just poke my hole a little bit more. Here we go. And there is my star. It didn't contort. It's nice and flat. And all done.
The next couple of giveaways are going to be a bit different. At the end of next month, on June 30th, we'll give away 2 prizes for completed banner photos. Find the post where we show the star, just like we did with all the previous ones, and show us a photo of your completed banner. You'll automatically be entered to win a prize. Last month's winners were Sherry and Raphael Quiles, who won a $20 gift card to our web store. Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations. So come to ameliescott.com. There will be a link to the free mystery project on our front page. And if you don't already receive our monthly newsletters, you can sign up under the help section. We hope you enjoy this free project. We had a lot of fun creating it and making it, and I'm kind of really excited to hang mine out too. If you want to sign up for the quilting the banner class, that's hard to say. If you want to sign up for the class where we quilt the banner on June 15th, it's already out there on our events page. All you have to do is sign up, and that's all out on our web page, which is ameliescott.com. All right, guys, have fun assembling your final project, and I'll see you in June for quilting, and see you later. Bye.